Hi, my name is Vincent, and in this video, I will make a complete review on instantly.ai. So you will see what I like, what I don't like, and if it's a good tool if you want to send cold emails at scale. So let's dive in. Alright, so just before we start, if you want to try Instantly for free, you just need to click the first link in the description and then you will be on this page. Once you are on this page, you just need to click here on Start for free and then you can create your free account. I just want to let you know that if you use the link in the description, you will get the best free trial available. So that being said, it's time to start this review. So we will start this review by answering the question, what is Instantly? Then you will see the pros of Instantly. And at the end, I will show you some cons of using this tool. So let's start by answering the first question, what is Instantly? So basically, Instantly is a cold email outreach tool. And the specificity of this tool is that it's built to scale your outreach. So for example, you can easily send hundreds or even thousands of emails a day using Instantly. So with this tool, you understand that if you want to send 10 cold emails a day, it's not the best tool, but if you need to send a lot of cold emails, the tool is built for that. So now let's move on to the pros. As I told you, Instantly is a cold email software and it's built to send cold emails at scale. So with Instantly, you will find everything to send a lot of emails. For example, you can connect an unlimited number of email accounts on Instantly. So if you want to connect your email account on Instantly, you just need to go here in email account. And then here you click on add new. And here on this page, you have 3 choices to connect your email accounts. For example, if you need to send cold emails today, you can buy the pre-warmed accounts and these accounts are already warmed. So if you want to send cold email today, you can do that with these accounts. Then if you don't want to waste your time with all the technical setup, you can buy the done for you email setup. And basically Instantly will buy domains and email accounts directly for you. And finally, the last choice you have is to connect your existing accounts, and you see that you can easily connect your Google or Microsoft email accounts. Now, if you want to use your email accounts, you just need to create a new campaign and then you can choose all your email accounts, for example, to send cold emails. So for example, here I have an existing campaign and if I click here in options, you see here that I can choose the accounts I want to use. So here I just have one LinkedIn account, but if you have multiple email accounts in Instantly, you can select all of them to send cold emails. The next point is that it's actually very easy to import leads instantly. So if we go back here on Instantly and now we want to create a campaign, we just need to go here in campaigns. Then we click on add new. Then we give a name for our campaign. For example, let's say that I want to target people who are head of marketing in the US. Then I click on continue. And now here, if I want to import leads, I just need to click here on add leads. And here I have 4 choices. So I can upload my leads from a CSV file, or you can use the Instantly lead database. You can enter your emails manually, or you can basically just use a Google Sheets. So for example, let's say that you use LinkedIn Sales Navigator to find leads. So if we go here on LinkedIn Sales Navigator and we target people who are head of marketing based in the US, like this. So you see here that we have more than 13K results. Then if we want to export these people into a CSV file with, of course, the verified emails, yeah, unfortunately, you know that on LinkedIn Sales Navigator, you can't do that natively. And that's why I will use a tool called Give Me Leads to export the leads, clean all the data from LinkedIn Sales Navigator, and at the end, I will get the verified emails of these people. So if you want to have a button like this one, extract leads, you just need to go on givemeleads.io or you have a link in the description. you create your account, you install the Chrome extension, and then you will get this button. So once you are happy with your search and you want to get these people, you just need to click on extract leads, and then you will be redirected to your Give Me Leads account. Here you can give the number of people you want to export. So let's say just for this review, 50. And then here, don't forget to say that you want the emails of these people. So you click here on Find Emails, and then you click on Export Leads. And now we just need to wait a few minutes and we will get our list of leads. All right, so after 1 minute, my export is done. And now if I want to see my list of leads, I just need to click here on Download CSV. And here you see that we have a list of 50 leads, which is perfect. On top, you see that we have all the informations we need to reach out to these people. For example, the first name, last name, LinkedIn URL. Of course, we have the verified emails of our leads. We have the job title, location, and actually much more information that you can use. For example, the company website, company location, company industry, and so on. And now what I want to do is to import these leads directly in Instantly. So for that, we need to go back on Instantly. Then here we click on Upload CSV. And now on this page, I just need to click here and select the list of leads on my computer. And now all we need to do is to map the column headers that we have in our list of leads with the Instantly variables. So the most important ones are the first name. So first name is with first name, perfect. Last name, LinkedIn URL, LinkedIn. And of course, don't forget to check email with email here. And finally, all you need to do is to click on Upload All. And now if you go here in leads, you see that we have our list of leads in Instantly. So you see that with this workflow, it's easy to import leads in Instantly. Then the third pro is the unified inbox. So with Instantly, you don't need to go on each email account to check if you have a new reply, for example, because in Instantly, you can manage all your replies from all your email accounts in just one place. So you can not only see all your replies, but you can reply directly in Instantly. So if you want to do that, you just need to go here in Unibox. And here you will get the list of all your replies from all your email accounts. Now, if you want to see in details your reply, you just need to click on it, and here you will get the reply from a lead. And now, if you want to reply to a lead, you just need to click here on reply, you write your email, and then you just need to click on send to send your reply. With this Unibox feature, there is something interesting. So when you send a lot of cold emails, you get many replies. And if you want to follow up correctly your leads, you need to tag them by their states. For example, you can tag people who are interested, meeting booked, won, out of office, wrong person, not interested, or lost. So with this tagging system, you don't waste your time with people who are not interested, and you can focus on people who want your service or your product. Then the number 4 is that with Instantly, the email warm-up is included, and you don't need to spend more money to warm up all your email accounts. So if you want to warm up your email accounts, you just need to go here in email accounts. Then you select an email account, or you can select them all by clicking on this box. Then you click on it. And here what you can do to start the warm-up is just to click here on enable, like this. If you want to modify the settings of the warm-up, you can do that. And here you have all your warm-up settings. For example, you can increase the number of warm-up emails per day. You have a daily warm-up limit and so on. I won't dive into the details on how to set up properly warm-up because I've already made a complete beginner-friendly tutorial on how to use Instantly. So if you are interested, you just need to click on the top right of your screen. Now, the number 5 is that, in my opinion, the pricing is fair. So if we go on the pricing page You see that for $37 a month, you can connect an unlimited number of email accounts. You can warm up an unlimited number of email accounts. The two limits you have are the number of leads you can import in instantly and the number of cold emails you can send per month. So I say that it's a fair pricing because for $37 a month, you can start sending cold emails, get your first clients, and then what you can do is to increase the number of leads you want to reach out, and of course, the number of cold email you want to send. But if you need to send a lot of cold emails, like 100,000, you just need to pay $97 a month, which is nothing compared to how much money you can make by sending this kind of volume. And finally, the number 6 is that with Instantly, you have a free trial. So if you want to try sending just a few cold emails, you can do that. And don't forget that if you want to create your account for free and you want to get the best free trial available, you just need to click the first link in the description. Now let's move to the cons. And actually, we have two cons. So the first one is that you can't send LinkedIn messages using Instantly. And if you want to do that, you will need to pay a LinkedIn outreach tool to do that. And finally, the last one is that, in my opinion, it starts to have a lot of features on Instantly. So if we go back on Instantly, on the left, you have all the features you have on Instantly. And you see that we have a lot. For example, you have this one, Instantly Copilot. So basically, it's a ChatGPT instantly. You have AI agent, you have a CRM, you have your website visitors, and you even have a B2B lead database, but the quality of the data is not that good. So of course, these features might be useful for you, but in my opinion, it's always better to focus on your core features like sending cold emails at scale. So this is it for this review on instantly.ai. As I told you, if you want to try the tool for free, you just need to click the first link in the description. And now, if you want to see a complete beginner-friendly tutorial on how to use LinkedIn Sales Navigator to find B2B leads, you can click somewhere on the screen. It was Vincent. I wish you a nice day, and I see you in the next video. Bye-bye.